Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about the fundamentals of Moonriver. We are doing a giveaway of 700 XRP on the 31st of September. To participate, you need to like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment Moonriver to the moon. You may have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, but what is Moonriver? Moonriver is a new cryptocurrency that is still in its early stages of development. It promises to be faster, more secure, and more user-friendly than other cryptocurrencies. In this article, we'll take a closer look at Moonriver and how it is different from other cryptocurrencies. We'll also discuss its potential for the future. What is Moonriver? So, what is Moonriver? Moonriver is a cryptocurrency that was created in early 2018 with the goal of being more user-friendly and accessible than other cryptocurrencies. Moonriver is based on the Ethereum network, and it uses a unique algorithm that allows for faster transaction speeds and lower fees. And because Moonriver is based on the Ethereum network, it's also compatible with Ethereum-based applications and smart contracts. Moonriver has some pretty impressive features, and it's quickly gaining popularity in the cryptocurrency community. So far, it's been used to buy things like cars and houses, and there's a lot of excitement about its potential for the future. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. This makes them an attractive option for people who want to avoid government regulation or who distrust traditional banking systems. Another appealing feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are anonymous. Transactions can be made without linking the wallet address to the name of the owner. This makes cryptocurrencies ideal for conducting illegal activities such as drug trafficking and money laundering. How does Moonriver work? Moonriver is a new cryptocurrency that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. So what's all the fuss about? Well, Moonriver is different from other cryptocurrencies because it's based on a new algorithm that's designed to be more stable and secure. Transactions on the Moonriver network are also faster and more efficient than those on other networks. Plus, Moonriver is backed by a team of experienced developers and investors who are committed to making it the most user-friendly cryptocurrency out there. So if you're looking for a currency that's headed for big things, Moonriver is definitely worth checking out. Why is Moonriver the future of cryptocurrency? Moonriver is the future of cryptocurrency for a few reasons. First, it's based on the blockchain technology, which is what makes it so secure. With Moonriver, your transactions are verified by miners, so you can be sure that your money is safe. Second, it's decentralized. That means there's no central authority controlling it, which means there's no way for someone to hack the system and steal your money. And finally, Moonriver is anonymous. Your identity is protected, so you can make transactions without worrying about someone tracking you down. How to buy Moonriver? You're probably wondering how to buy into this whole Moonriver thing. It's actually not that difficult. First, you need to create a Moonriver account. This is where you'll store your Moonriver tokens. You can do this on the Moonriver website. Once you have your account set up, you can buy Moonriver tokens on a number of exchanges, including Bitfinex, Binance, and KuCoin. Just search for Moonriver on those websites and you'll find the right listings. Happy investing! Moonriver is a new cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the crypto community. But what is Moonriver, and why is it so special? What is Moonriver? Moonriver is a new cryptocurrency that uses a unique algorithm to secure its transactions. It's based on the blockchain technology, which makes it decentralized and transparent. Why is Moonriver so special? Moonriver is special because it's fast, efficient, and secure. It's also one of the most user-friendly cryptocurrencies available, which makes it perfect for beginners. Where can I buy Moonriver? You can buy Moonriver on several online exchanges, or you can mine it yourself. Important things about Moonriver. Moonriver is an up-and-coming cryptocurrency that could very well revolutionize the world of digital payments. But there are a few things you should know about it before you invest. First of all, Moonriver is based on the blockchain technology, which is what makes it so secure. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, so it's practically impossible to hack. Secondly, Moonriver is very user-friendly. It can be easily stored and transferred, and there are no transaction fees. Finally, Moonriver is still in its early stages, so there's plenty of opportunity for growth. If you're looking for a digital currency that has real potential, Moonriver is definitely worth considering. Conclusion. You've probably heard about Bitcoin by now. It's the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world, and it's been making headlines for years. But what is Bitcoin, exactly? Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be used to purchase items online, or traded for other currencies. It's created and stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain, and it isn't regulated or controlled by any government or financial institution. Moonriver is a new cryptocurrency that operates on the same principles as Bitcoin, but it offers some improvements that make it a more viable option for online transactions. Moonriver transactions are faster and more secure than Bitcoin transactions, and they're also less expensive. If you're interested in learning more about Moonriver or Bitcoin, or if you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, this is the blog for you. We'll tell you everything you need to know about Moonriver and Bitcoin, and we'll help you decide if either of these currencies is right for you.